https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com/https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Email support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or call us at +1 678 648 4277. Here are some practice quiz questions, taken mostly from last year's final. 1. Is each of the following true or false? 1. In Python, the method sortoff class list has a side effect. 2. When run on the same inputs, an exponential algorithm will always take longer than a polynomial algorithm. 3. Newton's method is based upon successive approximation. 4. Constructing a black box test suite involves looking at the control flow of the code to be tested. 5. Python classes enforce data hiding. 2. The code below produces 3 plots. Match each of the plots on the next page with the appropriate figure, Figure 1, Figure 2, or Figure 3. Import pylab y1 equals, y2 equals, y3 equals, for I in range, 20 y1. Append, 300 *I, y2. Append, I *** 3. Problem. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. y2. Append, I *** 3, y3. Append, 2 *** I, pylab.figure, 1, pylab.plot, y1, pylab.figure, 2, pylab.plot, y2, pylab.figure, 3, pylab.plot, y3, pylab.symology. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 3. Can the following specification be implemented? If not, explain why. Def f x, e x and e are floats returns y, a float, such that xe equals y * y equals x plus e. 4. Write a Python program that satisfies the following specification. Def f L1, L2 L1 and L2 are lists of integers returns the element-wise product of L1 and L2. If the lists are of different length, it uses 1 for the missing coefficients. E.g., if L1 equals 2, 2, 3, and L2 equals 7, 5, 6, 7, it returns 14, 10, 18, 7, side effects, none. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. The following questions all refer to the code you were asked to study in preparation for this exam. They also assume that the following code is used to test the program. For your convenience, a copy of the posted code is at the end of this quiz. Feel free to separate it from the rest of the quiz. Warning: the code at the end of this is not the same as the code you have been given to study. It may not be worth your time to study this code carefully enough to answer all of the practice questions, but these questions should give you the flavor of the kinds of questions we might ask about the code supplied this term. Number days equals 500, bias equals 0.11/200.0, number sectors equals 1, sector size equals 500, number trials equals 5. Print testing model on number days. Days mean equals 0.0 for I in range. Number trials pylab.figure 1. MKT equals generate market. Number sectors. Sector size. Bias. End prices equals sim MKT. MKT. Number days. Mean plus equals end prices. Dash 1. Title equals closing prices with plus str. Number sectors. Plus sectors plot value over time. End prices, title, pylab.figure, 2, plot distribution at end, MKT, title, mean closing equals mean/float, number trials, print mean closing with, number sectors, sectors is, mean closing. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 1. If, in class stock, the line self.price equals self.price asterisk 1.0 plus base move were replaced with the line self.price equals self.price asterisk base move, which of the following best describes the expected mean value of the market after 200 days? A. Close to 111, B. Close to 100, C. Close to 50, D. Close to 0, E. About the same as with the original code 2. Consider running the above test code twice, once with number sectors equals 1 and once with number sectors equals 20. Each will produce a figure 1. Now consider running a linear regression to fit a line to each of the curves produced in the figure 1s for each test. Would you expect the average mean square error of the fits for number sectors equals 20 to be? pythonhomeworkhelp.com. A. Smaller than the average mean square error of the fits for number sectors equals 1. B. Larger than the average mean square error of the fits for number sectors equals 1. C. About the same as the average mean square error of the fits for number sectors equals 1. D. None of the above. 5.3. Characterize the algorithmic efficiency of generate market. 5.4. If in stock. Make move, the line. Base move equals bias plus random. Uniform, self. Volatility, self. Volatility were replaced by the line. Base move equals bias. Which of the following figure 2s is most likely to be produced by the test code? 10 points. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. A, B. C, D. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Import PyLab import random. Hashtag global constant trading _days _PR _year equals 200. Class stock, definite, self, ticker, volatility self. Volatility equals volatility self. Ticker equals ticker self. Price equals none self. History equals def set price, self, price self. Price equals price self. History. Append, price, def get price, self return self. Price def get ticker, self return self. Ticker def make move, self. Bias if self. Price equals 0.0. Return base move equals bias plus random. Uniform, self. Volatility, self. Volatility, self. Price equals self. Price asterisk 1.0 plus base move if self. Price less than 0.01. Self. Price equals 0.0 self. History. Append, self. Price. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Class market, definite, self. Sectors equals self. Tickers equals set, def add sector, self, sect if section get name, in self. Sectors, raise value error, duplicate sector, for T in section get tickers, if T in self. Tickers, raise value error, a ticker in sect already in market, else, self. Tickers. Add, T, self. Sectors. Append, sect, def get sectors. Self return self. Sectors def get stocks, self stocks equals 4s in self. Sectors, stocks equals stocks plus s. Get stocks, return stocks def. Move all stocks, self vals equals 4s in self. Sectors, vals equals vals plus s. Move all stocks, return vals. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Class sector, definite, self, sector name, bias self. Tickers equals set, self. Sector name equals sector name self. Stocks equals self. Bias equals bias self. Org bias equals bias def add stock, self, stk if stk get ticker, in self. Tickers, raise value error, duplicate ticker, self. Tickers. Add, stk get ticker, self. Stocks. Append, stk. Def get stocks, self return self. Stocks def get tickers, self return self. Tickers def set bias,